Accuquilt, cut fabric like a pro. By the end of this video, you will know what an Accuquilt is, the different models, and how it can help your quilting. Hi, I'm Linda Johnson, and I've been quilting for over 20 years. Let me help you on your quilting journey. If you struggle to cut fabric accurately, or if you have a hand or wrist injury, an Accuquilt could be for you. This is my Accuquilt Go Big Electric. It is an electric cutter. There are also manual cutters. An Accuquilt gives you perfect cuts every time. There are 4 Accuquilt cutters. They are the Accuquilt Me, the Accuquilt Go, the Accuquilt Go Big Electric, and the Accuquilt Go Dash Electric, which is a smaller electric model than this one. You have Accuquilt dies, which come in a number of different shapes, including applique shapes, strip piecing, patterns, including English paper piecing hexagons. This is an example of a die. It is the Go Square 2-inch square. And as you can see, there are 6 different squares in this die. In addition to the shapes I mentioned are Accuquilt Qubes, which come as a set of dies, and you can make multiple different quilt blocks with an Accuquilt Qube. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo. I'm not going to do anything to this fabric. I'm just going to lay it on top. I'm actually going to get 12 instead of 6. This will be a little loud, but let's look at what happens. There we go. Spit it out the back. I'm going to remove my mat, which will likely take some of the squares with it, which it did. And there we have a perfect 2-inch square. And I have multiples of them, as you will see. I also have the 6 that were left on the mat, which are very easy to lift up. You may think that looked a little wasteful because now I have this left. I was just using this as a demo. I was happy to let go of that fabric, but the pieces that are left are actually going to go in my scrap bin. You can learn to become more mindful of the fabric that you use in your Accuquilt, so you're not wasting that type of fabric in getting your perfectly cut pieces. In addition to posting videos, I also send out a weekly email on all things quilting, including tips, tutorials, product reviews, and more. Check out the description for the link to join today. Since you stuck around to the end, I have one last tip to share. While space may be of a premium, please do not stack Accuquilt dies on top of one another. There's metal inside of here which causes the machine to cut your fabric, and you can damage that metal if you stack them on top of one another. So you really should be stacking them on their sides. There are storage containers that come in handy for doing that if you would like. And let's not waste your investment by ruining your dies. So again, make sure you don't stack them flat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.